And let's take a look at this question on the Unit 8 review. Directions are to find the area of the shaded region. To do that, I'm going to start off by finding the area of the rectangle. So to find the area of the rectangle, it's going to be base times height, which is 38 times 30.4. And when you multiply those two together, you're going to end up with 1155.2. Next, we need to find the area of the sector. To find the area of the sector, I'm going to find the area of the entire circle, which is pi times the radius. Now the radius is the length of this side over here, so that's 38 squared, times the fraction of the circle that the sector makes up, which is 50 out of 360. When you multiply all that together, you end up with 630.06386. Now, to find the area of the shaded region, I take the area of the rectangle and subtract the area of the sector, and that's going to give me the area of the shaded part, which is 525.14.